behind me. Something going on behind my back. There we go, trying to get my attention. One more wave, Matilda. Good girl. A lovely round of applause. Nice bit of waving. Now, at the end of the Olympics, we're going to show you some of their skills and abilities throughout the show. We'll play some games with Matilda. I've got one upside down and an angle. You're going to do it again. I don't know if you can get to the down in these seats very well, but we'll have a proper angle. There we go. Oh, very good, Jake. All the way. There we go. Cool, Bobby. Give Bobby a lovely round of applause. Get on to you. Archie, come on left. Lost his voice today, actually. No, hello's going on, actually. We're going to this blue one to the right. I think Archie's lost his voice. This is Gunner. Oh, shout hello, Gunner. Hello. Okay, Gunner, you going to say hello?
Oh, okay. Hello.
Different types of macaw. Macaw come from Central. It's slow. Yeah.
Hello.
Audience today. Good. Give a little round of applause. Turn the ball around. That's it. You so good boy. A little bit more clapping. What happens now? He's done. That's it, Bobby. That's it, good boy. That's it. He's scored. Bobby, you going to line it up? Oh, now the beak is very special. Just tell her that she's doing okay. So next, excellent. So there you go. That's it. Well done, Sunday. Good girl. Let's go for that right. Applause. Very quick. Now relax on Sunday. Good girl. Give her a lovely round. Yeah? 3. Good.
6, 7, 8.
Oh, very good. That's it. Excellent. Oh, too high. We'll just take one more. Let's try this last one nicely, Jen. So we're going to go last shot. Let's see if we can get to a 3. Oh, give her a lovely. Nice play all that there. Let's see what we can get. We're going to get some score Sunday. We can get it 12. Oh, very good. Let's get it coming. Sunday. That's it. She'll take it very gently like that. If you just pop it back in her beak, she's very gentle, girl. Thank you very much. All the way up. Oh, Sunday. And the last one more. One final year for Sunday. That's it. You can hear how noisy they are. They can be quite messy and they can live a long time. You never know how long they live. We're doing on their lifespan. I heard someone say about 90. It's about 90, I've heard 100. 70 macaws. It's quite a long time, quite a big commitment. But I'm going to see if I can show you how gentle she is, and these couple of little volunteers. Right, here we go. On the nose, I think. Ready? Can we give a little bit of clapping to help him out? Jake, we're going to go all the way down there. He's definitely taking up the applause on the front. Come on, Jake. You wanted this from showing off. Took it down there. A bit more clapping, a bit more noise. Just a little bit more, Jake. It's not quite enough. Yeah? That's it. Don't spill it. You pop around the car. Cars, they're agile and strong as a parrot. Can we give her a helping hand? She's just all the way around the inside. That's it, Matilda.
That isn't.
No feeling Bobby as well. Archie, you ready? Right, so it's split the audience. How many girls have we got? Quite a lot of ladies. How many boys or blokes? You can make the most noise. What do you think, boys or girls? Both boys, we have all the girls for Archie, and all the boys for Bobby. All the girls first, as loud as you can. Yay! Now, boys, I think we're outnumbered. All the boys for Bobby! Boys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Help them out. Let's make some noise for them. First of all, with less package up to the help of that ugly. The question is, what do you think I think? Just a few bits there, good boy. The first one is a bit of tuna, and if you do like tuna, look at the dolphin playing the tuna, or tuna that's got using that, it's not hard. We've got some more fish there. That is referred to cod. Cod is actually an endangered species. Look at sustainable cod, or alternatives to cod. And the last thing is a fair trade to you. Give them a lovely round of applause. Fair trade. Getting right place, I think he's got it already. There we go. Go back for a lovely round. Thanks very much. Do the easiest thing and just bring a rubbish down and pop it into the litter bin, nice and tidy, and out of the way.
They've been trained to do this.
As we see fit, I'm sure most of us do it already. It's Sunday to do it. I'm sure we can all do it.
And then you've got
She's very quick today. Give her a lovely round of applause. Very tidy. Pocket money for him, a little bit of cash. And hopefully he's not going to spend this and throw it away. He's got a little yellow piggy bank for cash. Now he is quite shy. So it might take a little while. That's his bike. That's it. Good boy. Almost done. Good. Excellent. Really appreciate it. I'll leave the piggy bank at the end of the show. It's really important to look after wildlife and animals in other things. Particularly endangered in their cells, but the British bats are very bring it down, and when it gets all the way down again, give it a little round of applause. That's it, Joe. Good boy. Good girl. Now let's do that. A little sermon from Sunday. Everybody say goodbye. Goodbye. Listen carefully. Sunday, you need to say goodbye to everybody. Goodbye. Oh, Jake is saying it. I think we're from Jake. You can say goodbye? Oh no, still going to have another dangle. We might end up going dangle, right? You say goodbye? Yes. Goodbye. I hope you enjoyed it.